The electrolyte, which is important in maintaining normal muscular activity in the heart and skeletal muscle. Option A, sodium. Option B, potassium. Option C, chloride. Option D, bicarbonate. Answer is option B, potassium. Select the electrolyte which has high concentration in the intracellular fluids. Option A, sodium. Option B, potassium. Option C, chloride. Option D, bicarbonate. Answer is option B, potassium. Tungstic acid is prepared by mixing. Option A, sulfuric acid and potassium tungstate. Option B, hydrochloric acid and sodium tungstate. Option C, sulfuric acid and sodium tungstate. Option D, hydrochloric acid and phosphotungstic acid. Answer is option C, sulfuric acid and sodium tungstate. Which of the following statement is not correct? Option A, never mix concentrated sulfuric acid and water inside a measuring cylinder. Option B, cool the hot glasswares immediately to prevent thermal breakage. Option C, to remove the grease materials from the glassware, treat it with chromic acid. Option D, always add acid to water. Answer is option B, cool the hot glasswares immediately to prevent thermal breakage. Drying of glasswares for clinical chemistry purpose is dash. Option A, hot air oven at 100 degrees Celsius. Option B, autoclave at 100 degrees Celsius. Option C, hot air oven at 50 degrees Celsius. Option D, hot air oven at 160 degrees Celsius. Answer is option A, hot air oven at 100 degrees Celsius. Prior to use, new glassware are soaked overnight with option A, nitric acid. Option B, chromic acid. Option C, sulfuric acid. Option D, hydrochloric acid. Answer is option D, hydrochloric acid. Which of the grade chemical used for preparation of chromic acid solution? Option A, annular. Option B, GR. Option C, LR. Option D, CR. Answer is option C, LR. For quantitative analysis with chemical grade generally preferred, option A, LR. Option B, CR. Option C, spectrograde. Option D, AR. Answer is option D, AR. Golgi complex was first recognized in option A, blood cell. Option B, root cell. Option C, nerve cell. Option D, none of the above. Answer is option C, nerve cell. Which of the following is a weak acid? Option A, HCl. Option B, CH3COH. Option C, H2SO4. Option D, HNO3. Answer is option B, CH3COOH. Compounds yield hydroxyl ions on dissociations are dash. Option A, alkali. Option B, strong acids. Option C, weak acids. Option D, none of the above. Answer is option A, alkali. Approximate normality of commercially available concentrated hydrochloric acid is option A, 36N. Option B, 18N. Option C, 12N. Option D, 14N. Answer is option C, 12N. Select one which is not a physical quantity of expressing solutions. Option A, ppm solution. Option B, saturated solution. Option C, percentage solution. Option D, molar solution. Answer is option D, molar solution. To prepare a normal solution, most important criteria required. Option A, weight of the chemical. Option B, percentage purity. Option C, equivalent weight. Option D, atomic weight. Answer is option C, equivalent weight. 5% of sodium chloride contains option A, 5 gram in 1000 ml. Option B, 10 gram in 200 ml. Option C, 5 mg in 100 ml. Option D, 0.5 gram in 100 ml. Answer is option B, 10 gram in 200 ml. Generally, laboratory glasswares in the laboratory are calibrated at a temperature of option A, 20 degrees Celsius. Option B, 37 degrees Celsius. Option C, 40 degrees Celsius. Option D, 30 degrees Celsius. Answer is option A 20 degrees Celsius. The instrument used for the proper mixing of the solute in the solution is option A water bath, option B magnetic stirrer, option C calorimeter, option D centrifuge. Answer is option B magnetic stirrer. Rotor is the part of option A calorimeter, option B water bath, option C centrifuge, option D incubator. Answer is option C centrifuge. Which of the following statement is wrong? Centrifuge is used for option A separation of protein free filtrate, option B washing of red cells by normal saline, option C separation of plasma, option D separation of amino acids. Answer is option D separation of amino acids. Factors which govern the speed of centrifugation except option A gravitational force acting on the particle, option B viscosity of the liquid, option C shape of the particle, option D radius of the centrifuge tube, option E specific gravity of the fluid. Answer is option D radius of the centrifuge tube.